Hi, folks. Grego here with yet another weird Japanese snack food quickie. And this one right here is the Japan only Kit Kat, which is described as adult matcha tea. Now, these are probably the most common strange Kit Kats that you can find in Japan. If you have been staying tuned to this channel, Reverend Amagon here, the founder of Spill the Geek Tea, also from Legend of the Traveling TARDIS, that guy right there issued me a challenge by email knowing that we were going to Japan. And he said, hey, can you find the rare Japan only orange Kit Kat? Okay. Um, let's just say that it took a little bit of searching, like a couple of hundred stores or something like that. But I finally found the rare, elusive, damn orange Japanese Kit Kats. And to fully understand that, you'll need to watch all of those short videos when I was looking for them. Now, right here on this channel, we have previously covered the rare Mount Fuji Kit Kat. This is a blueberry cheesecake. The predecessor was a strawberry cheesecake. Okay, those have been covered. Tried them. We have also tried the rare, elusive Tokyo banana. And this is a gift box which was only available on Japanese Airlines and through Zip Air, their subsidiary, which flies back and forth from San Francisco to Tokyo every day. Stay and personally all of your friends in America or Japan. And we've also covered the strawberry Kit Kat, which I think is a strawberry for me for the next few months. So let's see what these green tea ones taste like. Let's chop this thing open. There are 11 packages in here. At the Narita airport, this cost about 900 yens, which was about $6.50. They can be found cheaper in grocery stores as $1.87 for a package that contains 7 pieces. So let's see what these taste like. They're green. They're definitely green, as you would expect from matcha tea. So let's have a taste test. Perfect for Spill the Geek tea. This is thematic Japanese rare chocolate right here.
You hear the crunch.
Okay. Yeah, it's got a crunch. What this immediately reminds me of is that flavors and aromas can be very powerful memories. And one of the first times that I ever tasted matcha tea would have been around 2006 in Kyoto, Japan. There was an area of Kyoto of shrines and a non-meat district, and there were tea houses there where you could sit and have matcha tea made for you. And that was one of my first lifetime memorable experiences when it came to real Japanese matcha tea. When my wife ordered it, and we sat down and had it made right in front of us. So I'm not going to give that much kudos to Nestle or Kit Kat for bringing back that memory, but this is very matcha forward, very much. They did get the flavor right because it's brought back a memory for me.
So, Grego, so for people who don't understand what is matcha?
I have no idea, man.
Because I
My
see it
wife's
all the
Japanese.
time.
I'm not.
It's like everyone goes on about this matcha stuff, and we know
It's
matcha's made in
it's a
tea.
very good question.
When I ask
And
people what is matcha, they have no idea.
Yeah,
according to
it's a very good
health.com,
question. Do I see the
health.com
Reverend
says,
jumping onto Wikipedia now?
He's a guru.
according to health.com, it says matcha is a type of powdered green
The ultimate
tea.
geek.
Unique, non-bitter taste and vibrant green color is regarded as the most aromatic form of green tea. The tea has potential benefits such as antioxidants and protective effects for bone and brain health. So, Japanese green tea leaves, darker green since the plant is grown in the shade. High amount of caffeine for the tea itself. Type of green tea, earthy, umami. I don't want to subscribe. Umami flavor. Matcha is a version
Umami.
of green tea with benefits of the same. However, the tea has much more caffeine than the other teas. Matcha itself, the tea, it prevents cancer, may help with depression, may help brain function, may improve male fertility, may reduce cholesterol. This is good stuff. May reduce blood pressure, may protect bone health, promote weight loss, and the nutritional effects. Small amount of calories, no sodium, no carbs, no fiber. Well, small fiber because we all need some fiber. But there's always a risk. It's safe to drink up to 8 cups of tea a day because of the high caffeine. But that's just it. But
Okay.
at least the
So
aroma and the effect of it, if you know that you drank it, then all memories, all by memory, it should, like a placebo. If you
yeah,
remember
so
from drinking the
it,
tea, you eat that, it should help you. Knowing all these facts, it should help you just eating a Kit Kat and not even worry about it.
okay. So instead of us just being reserved and just snacking on these, we need to be eating thousands of these to get all of the health benefits. So there's the package. That's the Japanese only adult matcha tea. And as you can see on the back of the package, as with all of these odd Japan only Kit Kats, there's a place to write a message to someone. You would have to write it really small, but these are intended as gifts. And some of these actually will uh, make their way as gifts right here in the US. Let me try another one. Let me get some health benefits. I'm still jet lagged. I don't know if the caffeine can help with that. I I wonder if these actually have caffeine in them.
Let's say
Probably it's
adult.
got matcha. Is it matcha flavouring or actual matcha? The ingredients. Oh, you can't read the ingredients because it's in Japanese.
Yeah, it's all in Japanese,
Yeah, it's
man.
all
I
Japanese.
I have no idea. What are we eating? But it's really good. No, those are
so,
lovely.
so why are they called adult green tea? What makes it adult?
Because good question. There's another matcha tea flavor of Kit Kats in Japan. Go figure. Um, those are more customary. Uh, this one here has a much stronger chocolate flavor, which
Mm.
is deemed for adults. In fact, I think these actually have alcohol in them, which is a very small percentage. I think it's like 0.03% or something like that. The sake, Japanese sake rice wine Kit Kats do contain alcohol. In fact, it says on the package at the bottom that these are not intended to be for the consumption of children. So some of the Japanese Kit Kats do contain alcohol, which is good for all of our health, right?
Tequila says, as one doctor said, if you're going to drink alcohol, tequila is the best one because it has the lower amounts if you must drink alcohol.
One of the doctors said that.
Mm-hmm.
But the doctors used to say smoking was good for you back in the 50s. How can we trust doctors?
I'm a doctor, no
Right.
matter what she said.
Okay. Open and shut case right there. So, okay. Hey, for everyone that has been enjoying these weird Japanese snack food quickies, uh, this one's about it for now. And I have noticed that people are not expecting live streams on the Timescales channel. That's normal because there haven't really been that many in the past. But this has been a fun series to do of the Japanese Kit Kats. And what a more wonderful way to end this series than having Reverend Amagon right there, the guy that even caused all of this, and then Mark right here in England, a fellow snack food junkie pal. So th- thanks, guys, for being on these. And as far as the future of the weird Japanese food quickies, there'll be a few more episodes. Just let me find something weird and we'll review it. So. Good night from San Francisco. Reverend Amagon, where can you be found by any chance?
Through youtube.com/@ Reverend Amagon. And same applies youtube.com/@ Spill the Geek Tea 1, which you can find all three of us on the talk show Spill the Geek Tea. Right now, Monday nights at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And come March, we will be live on Sundays at 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
Yes.
So instead of just doing recordings on Sunday, we will be going live shows. So it's going to be a big thing with Mark and I also. From time to time, we are on The Legend of the Traveling TARDIS, which is Tuesday nights at 6 p.m. Eastern. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, whatever channels
Pretty
he
much
has us listed on.
most social media.
Awesome. So, and Mark, Candyman, aren't you in that place called England or Great
I am
Britain or
indeed.
something like that? Yeah.
It's the full title is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So yes, I am in England. Is one of the countries within Great Britain.
Also, where Doctor Who came from.
Yes, big Doctor Who fan, and yes, you'll find me, like Tom said, on either The Legend of the Traveling TARDIS or Spill the Geek Tea.
Okay, awesome. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of these weird snack food quickies. I can't guarantee that Tom and Mark are going to be on all of them, but they were right now. And thanks, guys. That's awesome.
You're welcome.
Peace
Thank you
out.
for having us.
Yeah, my
you.
pleasure. Thank you for being here. And for now, peace out from San Francisco and enjoy all of your weird Japanese only Kit Kats that you can find because they're out there.